500. Merci. 800. I'm pricing it for 3. Full chicken, but it's very small. In my opinion, I just think it's a little bit expensive. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the street of Ouagadougou here in Burkina Faso. In today's video, we'll be talking about the cost of living here in Burkina Faso, from the cost of apartment to the cost of getting food at the restaurant, to buying groceries, to transportation, and literally every other thing that you need to know about the cost of living here in Burkina Faso. So let's get right into the video. Guys, I want to get the bread here in this bakery in Ouagadougou, Burkina Faso. So I'll show you guys what their bread looks like here and the amount that they sell there. Sliced pizza. Merci. Oh my god, free bread. Merci. Sir, this coke is produced here in Burkina Faso and is this expensive? Wow. These are the bread that I got 3. This is the way they pack their bread in Burkina Faso. I love this their packing. It really looks nice and chic.
How much is it?
We saw 800.
How much is
For
800
everything
in
like this, it's 800.
In my opinion, I just think it's a little bit expensive. No, some things, not all. Some things are cheap, some are really expensive.
What's that?
I think it's
Is this chicken?
No, cheese. I think they have the cooked one here.
Like onions and cheese.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. What's that? Is this
Guys, they have like different. Okay, I think it's mayonnaise. Let me take this one.
Guys, you say this is cheese. Are you sure? Cheese.
It's made from soya bean.
It says made from soya beans. Let me try it.
How does it taste?
Not bad.
Whole bread with all the cheese and everything that they put inside. 400. It's really nice. The best time to come out here in Burkina Faso is in the evening. Can't me 3,500.
No. 3,000.
Complete. 2. 4,000. 3,500. C'est combien?
So my beef.
How much?
200. Ça là? 250. 250. 200. C'est combien?
C'est combien?
100 CFA.
Okay.
So guys, we're already at the market. Let's shop for some food stuff. These are the plantains I want to get. Oh my goodness. 6 me from. 1.
1,000.
Yes. What kind of plantain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7.
That means this
7
is.
beef from.
What are these?
Bunch of plantains here.
6.
7 beef from.
7 me from, c'est bon. They said 6 of this is 1,000 CFA. So I'm pricing it for 11 for 1,500 CFA. I hope he sells it. And those for 7.
Yeah, come on.
Okay. I think the plantain should be way more cheaper than they sell it because it's already getting spoiled. Each of these is 500. No. Anyone 7. Let's see what she's going to give for 1,000. Where's me from?
Where?
This is 1,000 sefa. Wow. So we got this Maggi for 200. We have 8 pieces inside and these for 25 sefa. They sell their rice and beans per kilo, yeah?
How much is that?
450 per kilo.
This
for 1
one?
kilo.
Même chose.
450
Ça,
also.
c'est 600.
450 for 1 kilo. This is 600 for 1 kilo. This one, that's 1,350. About 3 kilo of rice.
3 kilos is how much?
Come here.
Ça, c'est 400.
Katsa.
Voilà.
Oh, 400. They have different varieties of spaghetti. They have the one for 350, for 200, for 300. So it depends on the brand that you want. That's 750. This one is 1,500. This one is very low.
Ça, la 1100 francs.
There is a bit on the high side, 1,500.
1100 francs.
1,200, 1,100.
This one 1,002.
Yes. 1 yam, 1,200, 1,100. One portion of that is 1,000.
That one is
One portion of this is 500. Even this one for 1,000 is small. So this is the gari. 2,000 for this bowl. I think it's this size that they used to sell gari for 1,500.
this one
Yeah.
for 500.
This is of the small measurement. That's 1,000 sefa. Sebo. I want to get vegetable for it here. Okay. Queen, come here. How much come here? Me from
That's how much?
1,000. This is 1,000, guys. Oh, that's correct. How much come here? This is 500. Is this better?
Yes.
How much come here? Oh. See how this channel. Hi, besties. They already divide it into 2. That's 500 sefa. This is nice for 500 sefa. 3,500.
Ah, c'est ça.
Full chicken, but it's very small.
So 1 kilo of this is 6,000 sefa.
That's 7 liters.
I think that's what they put inside nylon. So that's 50. Chicken pepper. So it's 3 for 50 sefa. It's even funny the way they sell pepper here. So that means regardless of the amount that you want to buy, they have to be measuring it 3. Let's talk about transportation. Look at the roads closely. You can see that most of the means of transport that you can find on these roads are either motorcycle or bicycle. And the motorbike are not commercial. They are mostly private. So that means if you are here in Burkina Faso, you are living here and you don't have your private bicycle, private car or private motorcycle, you might have a hard time moving around. And that was what happened to me and my friend the day we went to the market, that we find ourselves in this situation. So this is our means of transportation now. Pardon? Go inside. Go inside. Not go follow, my friend. Guys, this is such a nice experience. Hey, where? Ah, someone wants to drop. Hey!
Is she dropping?
I think.
How are you?
Yes, My phone.
Huh?
Fine.
Guys, this is adventurous. See me and my friend. Guys, we have been to a lot in Burkina Faso. This is not easy. This is the only thing that we could get from this city. If not, we will trek. So we don't pass out. So. Ato. No. Yay! This is so nice. This is adventurous. I enjoy it. What's 300? Pay 300 for both of us. This is one of the means that people use to get around here in the city of Ouagadougou. I find this somehow strange because where I come from, we mostly use this to pack goods. But then when I see people using it as a means of transportation, I'm like, oh, this is new. So guys, we pay 300 CFA. It's not meant to be more than 100 CFA. But because they know that we are not this way, because that guy entered this before us now. And he paid 100 CFA. That's affordable. Another means of transportation that they use here in Burkina Faso is these new buses that their president just got. We went to their office to make some video, and we also tried to check somehow by boarding the bus. To board this bus is so easy, and the amount that you're going to pay for the transportation depends on where you are going to. When we came outside from the office, we bought this first bus. We charged 700 CFA for the ticket. To get the ticket is very easy. Immediately you enter, the driver will sell the ticket to you. We couldn't follow this bus that day because we didn't have change. We had to come down, myself and Linux and Minapoli. I consider that as a blessing in disguise because I don't know how I would have managed to stand all through the trip since the bus was already filled. Immediately we came down, I told Mena that I'm not going again. So me and Linux left Mena and he continued the journey to explore the bus experience. Thank God. I'm so glad and happy that I didn't later follow the bus because I can only imagine what I would have felt like. So Mena got the ticket to another destination for 200 CFA, which I think was quite affordable, and I feel the place was not that far from the particular spot that the bus picked him from. This is what the experience inside the bus looks like. When it comes to using this bus service, the amount that you pay for transport depends on where you're going to, but all I know for now is you can get a ticket for as low as 200 CFA and as high as 700 CFA. I don't know if they have tickets that are as low as 100 CFA or if they have the ones that are higher than 700 CFA. Please, my Burkina-based people, let us know in the comment section. Like, share more tips with us about this Sotraco and how far they go and how much they charge. Another means of transportation that they have here in Burkina Faso is these mobile cab services called Let's Go. They have an application where you can book online and the rate is fair enough because they charge 200 CFA per kilometer. So even if there is traffic, you don't have problem. You just know the number of kilometers that you're going to cover to know the exact amount that you are going to pay. So they have a fixed price. I used them once and the comfort is top notch and the driver that carried me that day was very friendly. So I recommend. That means of transportation that you use here is motorcycle. Though they don't really have commercial motorcycle, it's mostly private, but you can look for someone that has a private motorcycle and hire the person. So you and the person will negotiate on how much the person is going to collect and how much you're willing to pay. Look at this gas. This is a 6 kg cylinder and they sell it to refill it costs 2,000 CFA here in Burkina Faso. That's like really cheap. A bag of water costs 500 CFA. I have 30 sachets of water inside this bag, and one bag like this costs 500 CFA, which I think is on the high side. And the size of the pure water I'm going to show you, so it's small compared to the one that we buy in Cotonou and Nigeria. Pure water of this size, so that they sell a bag of it for 1,000 CFA. This 50 cl of water for 1,000 CFA. So I think this is the normal size that we do buy in Benin. Cameroon and Nigeria. One of these quarter like this, they sell it for 50 sefa. So, and they also have 30 pieces in a bag. Now let's talk about apartment. I was told that to get a 1-bedroom apartment in a middle-class neighborhood in Ouagadougou, the price starts from 30k sefa upward. To get a 2-bedroom apartment in a middle-class neighborhood, it starts from 50k sefa upward. And in a upper-class neighborhood, to get a 1-bedroom apartment, it starts from 50k sefa upward. To get a 2-bedroom apartment, then you should be looking at from 80k sefa upward. The cost of internet mobile subscription, they said, is a little bit expensive, so it's advisable to go for Wi-Fi installation, which they said it costs 30k sefa for the installation, and after that you'll be doing 15k sefa monthly subscription, which I think is fair enough. But if you want to go for this mobile data subscription, they said 1100 sefa is for 1 gig, which I don't think that's fair enough. And they said they have some other plans like that, which you can check out if you are in Burkina Faso or you're in Ouagadougou. For electricity, they have meter, so the amount that you'll be spending for light per month is going to depend on you. That means it depends on the kind of appliances that you are using and how often you use light every month. For water, they have government water board that sells water to them, and I heard that they said it's not expensive. So guys, this is where we'll be drawing the curtain for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this far. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, share it with your family, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. So till we meet again, stay blessed and see you in the next one.